Good morning children. Welcome to VBPS e-learning class. Today we are going to start next topic of chapter 6, that is factors. So children, you can see on page number 111 factors topic is given. As you know, 3 5s are 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3 as well as 5. जैसा कि हमने मल्टीपल्स में पढ़ा था that the product of two numbers is a multiple. So in this example 3 multiplied by 5, 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5 both. Here 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. ठीक है, 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5 and 3 and 5 is the factor of 15 because 15 comes in the table of 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 is factor. When we multiply two numbers we get a product. Clear है? When we multiplying two products we get a product, and product that is called multiple also. Each of the numbers that we multiply are called the factors of that product. So the two numbers which we are multiplying, that is called the factor of that product. जैसे यहाँ पर 15 का प्रोडक्ट 3 और 5 है. Clear है? Now here it is given factors, facts. So first fact is the number 1 is the smallest factor of any number and is a factor of all the number. So as you know already that 1 is a factor of every number. हर टेबल में 1 आता है. every number is a factor of 1. Number 1 is the factor of every number. So the number 1 is the smallest factor of any number and 1 is the smallest number also. तो first fact is means that कि 1 सबसे छोटा फैक्टर भी होता है और सारे नंबर का फैक्टर्स भी होता है. सेकेंड फैक्ट इज एनी नंबर इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. और सेकेंड फैक्ट इज कि हर टेबल में वो खुद ही आता है. जैसे 2 1s are 2. So 2 is the factor of 2's table. So every number we can see that is a factor of itself. हर नंबर अपना खुद का फैक्टर भी होता है. A number itself is the largest factor of itself and hence all the factors of a number are less than the number itself. अब number itself is the largest factor. जो नंबर खुद का फैक्टर है that is largest factor and hence all the factors of number are less than the number itself. और बाद के सभी factors, all the factors are smaller, less than the number itself. Fourth fact is except 1 every number has minimum 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. मतलब 1 को छोड़कर लीविंग 1 एवरी नंबर हैज़ मिनिमम 2 फैक्टर्स. सभी नंबर्स के 2 फैक्टर्स होते ही हैं. एक तो नंबर 1 एक 1 होता है और एक द नंबर इटसेल्फ. सो एवरी नंबर हैज़ मिनिमम 2 फैक्टर्स, 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ. वी कैन फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ अ नंबर बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग द नंबर बाय 1 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन till we can't find any pair whose product is the number. See the example given below. Now we will see some examples that how to find out the factor of any number. For example, 1 is given, find all the factors of 36. So for finding out the factors of 36, what we should know? We should know that the 36 comes in which tables, है ना. First it is coming in 1's table, 136 are 36. Then in the table of 2 18s are 36. Then in the table of 3 12s are 36. Then in the table of 4 9s are 36. Then in the table of 5 it can't come. In the table of 6 6 are 36. So you can see children, 36 comes in the table of 1 2 3 4 and 6. So after 6 it comes in 9's table, 9 4s are 36. 12's table, 12 3s are 36. 18's table, 18 2s are 36. and 36 table, 36 ones are 36. So first we will start from 1 है ना, to increasing order, then we will go repeat the numbers vice versa. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So this how we can find out the factors. Now your today's homework is you have to learn the definition of factors and you have to learn the factor facts. Thank you and have a nice day.